Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a portfolio review. You'll go into Artworks, and on the left-hand side, you'll select OCI and Job Listings. We're looking at OCIs, which stands for On-Campus Interviews. The system refers to our portfolio reviews when a company comes to visit as on-campus interviews. Here we're looking at the various companies that are coming. And why don't we try to sign up for a portfolio review with Test Company? You'll hit the blue Apply button. What this does is it enables you to upload your resume so that this company will be able to see it, even if you don't get a portfolio review. Once you've applied, you now have a shot at getting a portfolio review time slot. They refer to it here in the system as interview, but what it means for us is portfolio review. Try to find a time that's convenient for you. And the system will confirm whether or not you've gotten the portfolio review. Once you've signed up for the portfolio review, an easy way to find out what you have coming up is to go back to the Home dashboard. In the first pane for upcoming activities, you should see your upcoming portfolio review. Please contact us at risdcareers@risd.edu if you have any questions. Good luck.